It appears that the first crane is already working at Tesla Giga Texas. We have a wonderful, amazing Tesla Giga Texas construction update from August 16, 2020. Work continues at fast pace and the site has changed dramatically in only 3.5 weeks since construction started at Tesla's Austin Gigafactory. Some significant changes have happened in the past day or so, as seen in this video. Here are some of these developments. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. We have a wonderful update from our friend Joe Tegtmeyer, who sent me this update and information to send with you. This is an update from Tesla Giga Texas construction from August 16, 2020. But before I go, I also wanted to let you know that Torque News is hiring Tesla and electric vehicle reporters. So if you have been regularly commenting here, meaningful comments, and are interested to write 6 stories each week about Tesla and electric cars and be paid for it, please contact me using our About Pages email, and also look at my hiring post in our community page. So our friend Joe Tegtmeyer, who has been sending us videos from video updates from Giga Texas, says a few days ago large drilling equipment started arriving on site, and it turns out it's from the GeoPier company, and what it signifies is exciting news. It is part of the GeoPier ramped aggregate pier RAP system, which according to their website are efficient and cost-effective intermediate foundation solutions for the support of settlement sensitive structures. This is selected because it reinforces good to poor soils, including loose sand, soft silt and clay, mixed soil layers, uncontrolled fill, contaminated soils, and soils below the groundwater table, among other benefits and advantages. It is essential, Joe says, a 3-step process. The process first involves drilling a cavity, normally in the range from 5 to 330 feet, which is 1.5 to 10 meters, depending on design requirements. Second, the layers of aggregate are then put into the drilled cavity. In this lift, a beveled tamper rams each layer of aggregate using vertical impact ramming energy. Finally, the cavity is slowly filled up by repeating the process vertically, ramming the thin lifts of aggregate until a solid footage supporting is constructed. According to the GeoPier website, a mobile crew consists of 3 machines to 4 people, and they can install 30 to 50 of these supporting piers in a single day. At Tesla Giga Texas, there appears to be 2 mobile crews right now, which means they could install 60 to 100 support piers each day. Implications for Tesla Giga Texas are that the work to construct the building foundations can begin before the land is fully leveled and cleared of ponds and mounds. This is amazing because at Giga Berlin, they had to level the ground first, prepare it for construction, and then the German contractors started working on the foundation, and then they brought the prefabricated walls, which added to the speed, as you can see in my morning report. But here, apparently the foundation can begin before the land of Tesla Giga Texas is fully leveled and cleared of ponds and mounds. It's amazing how far the construction science has gone in the world. In fact, that can be plainly seen today as the clear outline of the main factory building is taking shape with aggregate applications in north and south large forms, and the GeoPier crews suggest that they are already starting to fortify these foundation structures. This has the potential to greatly accelerate and already fast construction of this new facility at Tesla Giga Texas. Our friend Joe also says, in addition, the North Swamp area of Giga Texas is no longer recognizable, and all of the water and Many of the large mounds are now gone. They are working to drain and clear the last northwest pond with fill, geotextile membrane, and compaction evident. The south swamp is about 50% removed and filled, and they are rapidly progressing. So it may be that by the end of this coming week, the south swamp will also be gone from Giga Texas. Final major changes include the installation of 4 large temporary buildings on the east construction site of Tesla Giga Texas, possibly the offices for the main construction company. There is also a new clearing of land and being filled in and leveled at the very far north outside of the main construction site. It is not clear yet what this area will be used for. Maybe another building, maybe a building for another, maybe one of these buildings is for Model Y, another building is for the Cybertruck. I don't know. We'll see in the future. Joe says, I hope this video will help viewers see just how fast Tesla is working and how quickly changes happen on a daily basis at Giga Texas and how huge the undertaking is to build Giga Texas. Well, Joe, thank you very much for all this information that you sent us. Friends, please subscribe to our channel and the channel of Joe, which I will link from the description of this video. And if any one of you is interested to write for Torque News, Tesla and electric vehicle stories, please contact us and see our my job posting in our Torque News channel's community page. Please keep watching Joe's video, and which we really appreciate. Please like this video to show your appreciation of Joe who sent us this material. And in the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story, which is coming after this. God bless you, take good care of each other, and see you soon in our next report.